Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is to ask you to think back on a time that you were unprepared for class in some way. This may be the first time you've thought back on it. Sometimes we kind of worry about it or have shame about it or something, but we don't really consider it. So the idea here is to consider it, not in terms of blame or regret or anything, but consider the reasons that led to your being unprepared for that class. Maybe that, whole semester, maybe that one time, maybe that set of Saturdays, maybe that summer, whatever. And see if you can get a sense, a reasonable assessment as to what the catalyst was for you being unprepared. Then develop a plan to reduce the likelihood of that occurring again, or perhaps the frequency of it occurring again, and put that plan into place. Thank you very much. See you in class, and thanks for checking our social media pages and sharing and liking and commenting and all that. Thank you.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.